Hi guys, it's Liam speaking, and today I'll be talking about my babe. Not babe, baby Milo slash babe. Well, they're both the same brand. So this is a classic one. I got it from a seller. May have been a druggie that had it, a person that had drugs. I don't know, that took them, I don't know. I don't care who it came from. So he was nice enough to send me it. But my family helped me get it, and one Christmas I made a wish, went hell and back, getting into Tiswiz, crying about it, dreaming, and I dreamed hard and I got it. You see, vape is my favourite thing, and it'll always be my favourite thing until I actually do grow out of it. So, I remember once this one was forbid one day. I don't remember how I got it. I think it was off eBay, and that's all I know. So in a bid war or a make an offer, as well as, or buy now, I don't know. Can't give a shit how, I don't know how I got it. It was just luck that the seller accepted what he accepted in a bidding war with this fucker. I mean, William helped me with it. Good old William. Jack's older brother helped me, and with the kingdom come of basically being the kings of kings. We're royalty now. I don't give a shit whether you guys say, oh, it's real, boast on social media about saying it's real, because I don't care. I just do videos because I do videos just to make people think, oh, that's cool. Whether they put a thumbs up or a thumbs down on the video, I don't mind that, but I don't mind answering to some people and saying, oh, thank you and all that kind of stuff. I don't mind that, but it's just there's loads of people, and I don't agree to too many followers. It's like being famous. If you were famous, you would have to sign every autograph to the world, and I don't like that. So yeah, so I got that. So here's the vape thing. Zip goes up like normal. All this pattern on it. Yeah. Please tell me if you like it. Fits me fine like a snugger rug in the bug. And today, went down the road to my so-called retro best mates that are in the shop. Shout out to them. They hooked me up with this. A baby Milo belt buckle. Oh my god, he said he had 5 left. So if any of you YouTubers want it, it's in Shanklin. Retro shop. Isle of Wight. Not mine. I'm not selling this. I'm just saying exactly the same one. There's about 10 of them at the back of the store. You just go in and ask for a belt buckle and there you go. I'm recording this now and the date is the 19th. I may be wrong. It's the 19th today of getting up to August. I don't know. It's getting up to August. It's the 19th of something. So, I'm going to end the video of saying whatever it is. Thank you. And bye. Peace. Get that, you Bape fans or Baby Milo fans, because you are in for a treat. It's 20 quid or £10. I don't recall one or the other, but just take kit with you. £10 or 20, up to both of those prices. I can't remember. Peace. You motherfuckers, keep it up. Hi, Mum.